So how you doing, guys? I see on YouTube a lot of people have problem with this charging port. So what I see there, they take all bumper down off. Is big job to change this port. So what I discover, and for you guys to do easy job, you take this off. You have 3 screws here, and then you take this off. You take the plug which go in this side, and you have one 10mm screw on here which you easy access with the socket. So, and it's, where is it? Just pull it down from this thing which was hooked here, that one there. I'm not sure if you can see it. And then what you're gonna do, you can take this out simply. That's coming off anyway. Take this out. Like that. And then you start pull it out like that. That's the new charging port. It's gonna go out this way. Okay, slowly, and you don't need to take the bumper off. You don't need to take the bumper off for this job. Just a little bit force. Come on. Now, up here. Ouch. That's one. Scratch a little bit. And voila.